Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next, we can say that sub topic of a given unit called as halogen derivatives. Yesterday we finished the preparations of alkyl halides. देखो हमने बेटा कल के हाउ टू प्रिपेयर alkyl halide कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे उसको हमने फिनिश किया था. आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं नया टॉपिक, इसका नाम है ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म और ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म in the different types of organic compound. Clear? In this we discuss the subtopic one by one here. Okay. Now first of all we discuss here the first point. Define the following terms. Question exam में आता है बेटा कि define the following terms. 1 marks 2 marks. We discuss the one by one. Clear? So first question asked in examination. Define the ordinary light. Define the which light? Ordinary light. What is ordinary light? The light which have a different wavelength, and vibrate in a different views or vibrate in different plane called as a ordinary light. Clear? The light which have the different wavelength and vibrate all the plane called as ordinary light. For example, the best example of ordinary light is sunlight. Clear? आपको पता है सनलाइट जो होता है बेटा उसमें अलग अलग वेवलेंथ होती है और वेवलेंथ जो है वो अलग अलग प्लेन में क्या होती है, मूव होती है. इसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? ऑर्डिनरी लाइट. क्लियर? ऐसे समझ में द लाइट विच हैव अ डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ एंड वाइब्रेट टू ऑल प्लेन. क्लियर? Okay, equal to the perpendicular to the what? Propagation of light called as ordinary light. Example, sunlight. Clear? Second, monochromatic light. What is indicate monochromatic means what? तो ये देखेंगे बेटा, mono means single, chromatic means color. It means a light which have a single wavelength or single color. The light which have a single wavelength or single color and which vibrate all plane perpendicular to the propagation of light. Perpendicular to the propagation of light called as what? Monochromatic light. Clear? Repeat definition. एक बार repeat करते हैं. The light which have the one color or which have the one wavelength and vibrate to the all plane perpendicular to the propagation of light called as monochromatic light. The best example of monochromatic light is what? Laser light. Which light here? Laser light. Okay, you know torch जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल टॉर्च होती है अलग अलग कलर की. देखिए आपने टॉर्च. This torch is contain one color and vibrate to all plane. Clear? जो मार्केट में टॉर्च होती है रेड कलर की बेटा आपने देखा होगा सर, जो बच्चे यूज करते हैं. ठीक है ना? ओके, तो वो जो है कौन सी एग्जांपल है, किसकी कौन सी लाइट की एग्जांपल है? वो मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट. एग्जांपल लेजर लाइट और रेड लाइट. ठीक है? ओके, नेक्स्ट थर्ड, PPL stand for plane polarized light. The word indicate a short form PPL, full form plane polarized light. What is plane polarized light? So the light, okay, the light when we added to any prism. This prism are made of the calcium carbonate, formula CaCO3, calcium carbonate. So the light when we beam or added on the prism, the light goes to the same angle or the light which rotate on a same plane. The light when we added on a prism, these light are vibrate to a same plane called as plane polarized light. Example, it is called as the PPL. Okay, or any light when we added in the prism, it vibrate to a same plane or single plane, same plane or single plane called as the PPL, plane polarized light. Clear? The light when we added on a prism, these light are vibrate to a same plane or a single plane called as plane polarized light. Clear? Okay. Now next, the fourth question: what is optical activity? What is optical activity? Which compound shows the optical activity nature? Which compound are optical active molecular compound? So the optical activity is depend upon the, first of all, the any compound which contain a carbon is chiral or asymmetrical. The carbon is chiral or asymmetrical. So these carbon are shows the optical activity or optical active molecule in nature. Clear? Okay. So what is optical activity? So we discuss here. Okay. So when any PPL or the tendency of any molecule or any organic compound to the tendency of any molecule or any organic compound which is rotate the PPL. PPL means plane polarized light, which is rotate means move, okay? Which is rotate to the PPL toward the left side and right side, toward the left side and right side, also called as clockwise and anti-clockwise. So it is called as the what? Optical activity. Clear? The tendency of any organic compound which rotate the PPL toward the left side or right side, toward the left side or right side, called as the optical activity. Clear? Okay. Some compound are shows the optical active in nature. For example, glucose and different types of compound like that of lactic acid, 2-chlorobutane, all the example of optical active compound or optical activity in nature. Or why the compound show optical activity? These all compound contain special character called as a what? It shows a special symmetry or also contain a special character called as a chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon. We also discussed the definition of chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon. Okay? Clear? So the property of organic compound which rotate the PPL means plane polarized light toward the left side or toward the clockwise side and right side toward the anti-clockwise. It may be depend upon the position. So the tendency of any organic compound to rotate the plane polarized light toward the left side or right side or clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it is called as what here? Optical activity. Clear? Next, point number 5th. What is optical active molecule? What is optical active molecules? So those molecules which rotate the plane polarized light, those molecule which rotate the plane polarized light called as optical active molecule. Clear? Those organic compound or those molecule which rotate the plane polarized light toward the any position, so it is called as what here? Optical active molecule. And these optical active molecules shows optical activity in nature. Clear? For example, glucose, lactic acid. For example, glucose, lactic acid, and 2-chlorobutane. For example, glucose, lactic acid, 2-chlorobutane. All these three molecules are optical active in nature or optical active compound. Clear? Now, why this compound show optical activity or optical active nature? Because all these compound contain special character called as a chiral carbon. ठीक है? So any compound which contain a chiral carbon, it shows the special symmetry as well as a which nature optical active in nature. Or any compound which does not contain a chiral carbon, so this compound are shows optical inactive in nature. For example, H2O molecule. H2O molecule does not contain a chiral carbon. That's why these compounds are optically inactive in nature. And any compound which have the optical inactive in nature, it does not show the any symmetry. Does not show the any symmetry or does not rotate the PPL toward the left side or right side. Okay, clear? Next, last question 6. What is chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon? What is chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon? So what is chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon? So what is the chiral carbon? Clear? So we discuss definition. Okay. The any carbon which attach different 4 group. Any carbon which attach a different 4 group or any different 4 group called as chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon. क्लियर है? अगर किसी कार्बन के सराउंडिंग में 4 अलग अलग डिफरेंट ग्रुप अटैच है तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? chiral carbon और asymmetrical carbon. Clear? For example, we take example of lactic acid. Lactic acid contain different group. For example, one is hydrogen attached to carbon, second is CH3, and third is OH, and fourth is COH group. All these 4 group are different. So all the 4 different group are attached to carbon. This carbon are shows a chiral carbon in nature or asymmetrical carbon in nature, or this compound show the chirality. What? Chirality. 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 Clear? So we discuss here the first one, definition of ordinary light. Okay, what is ordinary light? The light which have the different wavelength and vibrate in the all plane, called as the ordinary light. Example, sunlight. Second, monochromatic light. The any light which have the single wavelength and vibrate to what? All plane, called as a monochromatic light. Example, laser light. What here? Laser light. Next, PPL. The light when we added on the any prism are made of the calcium carbonate. This prism, when any light we added a prism, so the light are vibrate to a single plane or only a one plane, called as the PPL, plane polarized light. Next, optical activity. The any organic compound which have tendency to rotate the PPL, plane polarized light, toward the left side or right side, called as the PPL, called as the optical activity. Next, what is optical active molecule? Those molecule which have a tendency to rotate the plane polarized light, called as the optical active molecule. Example, glucose, 2-chlorobutane, lactic acid. Clear? Next, what we take here? We take the here. So what is the next here? Chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon. What is chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon? Those carbon or any carbon which attached to 4 different group called as a chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon. Or any compound which contain a chiral carbon, this compound show optical active nature. Or any compound which does not have a chiral carbon, this compound are act as optical inactive compound or optical inactive molecule. For example, H2O. Okay, so it's all about the definition of different concept. Now last point we discuss. We take here last point. Next point we take here the last here, enantiomer. What is enantiomer? What to take here? Enantiomers. Enantiomers is the next topic here. What is enantiomer? Any compound which rotate the plane polarized toward the left side and right side, and this shows non-superimposable mirror image to each other. called as the enantiomer. Enantiomer is opposites or merged called as parts. Means one molecule show different opposite parts, or a simple language, a compound which rotate any organic compound to a same angle but different position. Clear? Any organic compound when which a PPL rotate to a same angle but different position called as enantiomer. For example, we take the lactic acid, COH attached to here, CH3, here OH, here H. When we add it to any prism, it is a prism. It is called as what here? Prism. So when we added a lactic acid to prism, it will rotate the what? This OH group toward the left side and right side. Okay? Clear? So what we get? We get here the COH as it is, only we change the position of hydrogen. Here H, here OH, here CH3. The OH attached to right side called as a dextro. Dextro means plus charge. It is called as the dextro rotatory. It is indicate the what? Leo rotatory. What is dextro compound? What is dextro compound? Dextro means any compound the PPL rotate toward the right side called as a dextro. What is Leo? It is called as a dextro. It is called as the Leo. Define the dextro rotatory compound or Leo rotatory compound. Dextro means right side and Leo means left side. Clear? So what is enantiomer? Enantiomer is opposite merged called as part. It means any organic compound, the PPL are rotate to the same angle but different position. Angle से same है बेटा, position अलग अलग है. ये कहाँ पर है? ये कहाँ पर? देखो ये देखेंगे तो ये राइट पर दिख रहा है आपको, ये कहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको? लेफ्ट पे दिख रहा है. इसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? What? Enantiomer. ठीक है? Clear? What is enantiomer? Any organic compound we rotate the PPL toward the same angle but different position. These two molecules are non-superimposable to each other. दोनों की जो शेप है वो एक जैसी नहीं रहेगी, डिफरेंट रहेगी. ओके, जैसे OH कहाँ पे पड़े? यहाँ पे राइट पे. तो ये कहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? मिरर में. मिरर में कहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? प्रिज्म या मिरर बोलेंगे उसको. लेफ्ट पे दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके. So it is all about the what? The different concept of optical activity in the what? Halogen halides. Clear? So all is very important. Okay. Thank you so much.